How to find bio in YouTube Shorts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find bio, description or links inside the YouTube Shorts because they are hidden but easy to access once you know where to look. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the random shorts video. Let's say I'm going to tap on this one. And here, once you are inside the shorts, at the top right corner, you can see the three dot icon. So simply tap on that. And here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on description. And yes, as you can see, there is no description in this short video, so I'm going to simply go to the another video. So here I'm going to simply tap on the three dot and tap on description again, and there you go. Now here you can see the bio, description text and even the clickable link added by the creators. And that's it. That's how you can find bio in YouTube Shorts. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.